Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sharing on Crypto. So this episode, in today's video, nothing really new, really. Everything perfectly follow my plan, okay? Perfectly. So right now, I just want to remind you a few things, okay? So first, let's cut the crap. Let's just focus, okay? Focus on the momentum right now. Let's focus on RSI right now. So RSI, if you have watched my video since I think since the end of December, you will notice that I keep mentioning that this rally we need to the time frame that we need to focus on is 12 hour. So right now, last time around like January 7, I posted a video that I tell you that okay, we're seeing that momentum RSI or plus DI, like they're losing momentum, they're crossing down this moving averages, and that's when I tell you to sell your position and looking for a correction. And then it successfully reach our correction target, and then consolidate, and then now is continue the second half of the rally. So right now we need to focus on the same. We need to still focus on 12-hour time frame, but this time is a little bit different. Is that we need to focus instead of the orange trend line, the orange moving average. This time we need to focus on the blue moving average. Okay. Waiting for this time we need to be more patient, waiting for this blue moving average to go up, okay, to be dragged all the way up between 60 to 70, and wait for the orange fast moving average crossing down the blue moving average, okay, like right here or here. Okay, we need to be a little bit more patient, okay, until it crosses down. Then that's a confirmation that this rally is completely over. Okay, so that is from the momentum perspective. If this happens in the next 3 or 4 days, you need to pay attention. You need to sell position. I will sell all my long position as well. Okay, so that's from the momentum perspective. Now let's look at the chart. So if you look at the chart, this is what we drew since last December. Okay, I didn't change anything. Everything I drew, it happened a week after. So if you follow me correctly, you shouldn't be you shouldn't be losing money. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So right now, pay attention on the parallel channel. The top of the parallel channel is what we're looking for, and like I mentioned last time, it perfectly overlay with, zoom out a little bit, then we have a volume profile gap right here. Okay, this is what we're looking for, a perfect overlay right here. Okay, right here. Okay, so when we reach the top of parallel channel, when we reach this volume profile gap, that's when you sell everything. Okay, and again, so make sure you sell. If you don't sell, if you lose money, that's not my fault. That's not my fault. Okay, so watch and learn. If you're new, learn. Okay, if you think you're experienced, you're still losing money, you still have to learn. Okay, now let's move down to 3-day time frame. 3-day time frame, I keep mentioning 3-day Keltner channel, the top, the inner upper band right here. Okay, also overlay with it, so you will reach here. This is our target. This is the end of the rally. This is the target. Once we reach it, this rally is over. Okay, keep that in mind. So okay, let's look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum, the Keltner channel inner band, upper inner band is sitting at 3,550 around this area. So I think this also the target that we can reach. But as for the, so make sure, so let me lower this a little bit. Okay, now this is our golden square, golden pocket is perfectly aligned with the 3-day Keltner channel. Okay, so you see right here. Okay, so but still, what about the parallel channel, right? So let's move to 12-hour time frame. So 12-hour time frame, we need to, yeah, I already did it. It used to be like this in my last video, but this time I think because like I said, this golden pocket is shrinking, so I don't think this will be that reliable. Also, the top of parallel channel is too high, way too high. It's around like, it's only getting higher. Okay, so it's reasonable to adjust it, calibrate it. Okay, lower it to here. I think this will perfectly align with our target area, which is the 350 area. Okay, this is the target for Ethereum. Keep that in mind as well. Don't forget, if it happens in the next 3 or 4 days, if you reach this area, sell everything. Okay, that's for Ethereum. Now let's look at Chainlink. So Chainlink, as for Chainlink, let's look at 3-day time frame. If you look at Chainlink, the Keltner channel is still a little bit high, this inner upper band. So I don't really care if it come down or not. I just wait for Bitcoin to reach 100K, or if Chainlink will touch this top of the parallel channel, which is at 0.5 area right here. This is what I'm looking for. So this is something you need to pay attention in the next 3 or 4 days. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for watching.